Welcome to Have the Edge. In this series, every week we will find a new topic around design, technology, and business that would give you entrepreneurial edge and help you ground it in real-world practicality. Today's focus: why it's time to replace maturity models with AI-led business processes. With market being disrupted with predictive analytics and other digital disruptions are transforming business models. The days of classic maturity models for business innovation and design are over. With the market constantly changing, the enterprises need a rapidly real-time decision-making and strategy adjustment. This is not possible through following the existing design, process, or market models. While maturity models have their structure is actually their greatest flaw, which are far too static. The maturity model's been held in high regard for years, since the popularity of capability maturity model in their heydays of 1980s and 90s as proven templates for continuous improvement. On the success of the capability maturity model's success, many others have been developed in attempts to capitalize on its methodology, such as the digital transformation maturity model, social media marketing maturity model, and the scaled agile framework and design maturity models, among others. Many of these models, they force the organization to spend millions in bringing the process changes, licenses costs, and an employee certifications without any guarantee in ROI. Also, the hypothesis based on which many of these maturity models are not enough tested on ground are simply pushed to sold to the enterprises on a premium. These ultimately has the cancerous effect, mostly in blurring the enterprise decision-making and course correction for their product life cycle to meet the demands of the users, customers, and the market. The rapidly changing market dynamics needs a real-time course correction, and not just static maturity models. The static maturity models are merely a snapshot in time, which don't look towards the future. Most of these are based on the past stages and current statuses rather than being predictive and aligning for progress. The better alternative to static maturity models can be the use of artificial intelligence for rapid decision-making, fast and effective customization of process to cater to the specific goals of organization to bring innovation to table and help penetrate the market. Being on boom, AI now has been guiding decisions across industry, on everything from crop harvests to bank loans. Based on McKinsey's report that AI will add $13 trillion to the global economy in the next decade. AI allows businesses to automate processes, free up employees' time, and help improve productivity. By automating repetitive tasks and optimizing the process with data, AI can help organizations to apply real-time decision-making while driving the business process by touching upon design and process. AI-driven design and innovation process for the organization can always remain scientific and data-driven. AI is essential to ensure the organizations can make business key decisions at the front line and effectively impact their design operation and product lifecycle management to generate precise impact for the market outcome. Explore our channel for more details. Do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon on our YouTube channel to get our latest updates about new uploads and offers. Stay tuned.